Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the price action movements indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the price action movements indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 46 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 513 indicators, with 213 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the price action movements indicator, and you can kind of see it here on screen. I did go in and make a few adjustments to this, so I'll reset. So this is what it looks like in its standard form, and it's quite messy. There is a lot of stuff going on here, but really what we are interested in seeing is going to be these arrows here. And so, like many indicators that we have tested before, when we pick up a green arrow pointing up, then we are going to go long. When we get a red arrow pointing down, then we are going to go short. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so we picked up quite a few signals there pretty quickly. I didn't expect that many to take place so quickly, but they did, and so I just went ahead and followed along with them. And you can see we got a nice cluster of winning trades here. Every single one of them being a short trade opportunity. And so let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we picked up another little cluster of trades there. Again, mostly short trades, but then we did pick up a long over here, and you can see that that one got us to take profit as well. So far this one's doing pretty decent. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus there and there. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we have 24 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Very interesting. That is a really good win rate with a really decent number of trades. And so this one is a little surprising. I didn't think it would be that good, but it did a really decent job. And I did notice that during the consolidation period of price action, it seemed to keep us pretty much completely out of the market, which is another extremely important aspect of a good indicator. And so yeah, all in all, this is a very solid indicator. Very interesting results. Like I said, I think this one will definitely be right up there at the top of the list of indicators going forward. And so, yeah, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.